Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a souffle omelette easy method. Start by separating 2 eggs, whisking whites to soft peaks, then whisk yolks with a pinch of salt. Fold yolks into whites gently with a spatula, keeping air bubbles intact. Heat a non-stick pan on low, add butter, then pour mixture and cook slowly until set and slightly browned, about 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure your bowl and whisk are clean and cool before you begin. This helps whites whip faster. Add a small pinch of cream of tartar or a drop of lemon juice to stabilize the foam. Whip at medium speed until you see soft peaks that hold shape but still bend at the tip. Stop before stiff peaks to keep the souffle tender and avoid a dry texture in the finished omelet. Prepare any fillings like cheese, herbs, or ham by sautéing briefly to remove extra moisture. Fold fillings into the souffle mixture gently at the last moment to keep the eggs airy and light. Use a non-stick pan with melted butter and cook on very low heat, covering the pan to trap gentle steam. Remove when slightly jiggly in the center for a soft, custardy texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.